All right, guys, we are in Brandon's new Celsior he just picked up. Also with Hunter.
Hello, guys.
You guys know both of them. Brandon has a wheel refinishing company, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wheels building. He builds wheels and refinishes them.
JapCrap.
Yep. Where can they find you, Brandon?
You can find me on Instagram, japcrap.llc, or you can just find me on my personal Instagram at bootycall, B00TYKAHL.
What do you do? What can you guys import the wheels to? Or?
Yeah, I need to get more back into that side of it, but like you were saying, refinishing, we can get lips, barrels, hardware, we can refinish his faces, and we can we can ship lips and barrels directly to you, or you can bring your wheels to us and have them refinished, rebuilt. We offer chroming, brush, plating, powder coat, obviously. Yeah.
You can get
gel caps, new center caps.
Yeah.
It's a big thing. You guys are.
You can find any type of wheel or what?
Yeah, just about. We do a lot of new wheel sales too. Rays, Work, SSR. Trying to think. I mean, yeah, we can get some of the other brands too, but we try to focus on the Japanese stuff. Crayons, Weds.
But even though you're from Colorado, you can ship anywhere in the U.S.
Oh yeah.
And
Oh yeah.
they need.
Yeah.
And then we got Hunter here.
Hello.
Anonymous
Hunter
Stylie.
Yes.
imports the parts, cars, right?
I wish cars. One day.
Cars.
We're gonna step into that field one day.
But Hunter makes his own aero, right?
Yep. I do a lot of fiberglass production parts, repair parts. So with Anonymous
Custom
Stylie,
one-off
custom
kits.
one-off. Yep. I like the aspect of one-off, so I like to customize things and make it so no one can mimic them or reproduce them, or you'll be riding completely different than everyone else, although you have the same car as other people. It's something I'm really into, fascinated by it. But yeah, with the Anonymous Stylie, there's a couple other videos where we've talked about it, but we do importing with containers. So if you guys are looking for like body kits, hoods, fenders, wheels, deck lids, interior components, just the big items that would be really expensive to airship from Japan, we pack them all into a container and then they come overseas, and then the containers transport to me in Denver, Colorado, where it's unloaded. And if you're not local to Denver, if your item comes safely to ship, I can forward it straight to you, free shipping, UPS, FedEx. If your bumper or something like that comes in very slim packaging, I'll repack it. So it came a long way, so there's no reason not to make sure it gets to you safe. But we also do air shipping, so if you're looking for like small grills, headlights, taillights, stuff like that, we can get them over pretty easy. Same with like 13s to like 16-inch wheels. They're pretty friendly to airship, so we can do that as well. But your bigger wheels, and especially wheels that have tires on them, would not recommend air shipping those. But yeah, we do that. And then if, let's say, we find you a body kit in Japan that needs fiberglass repair, and maybe someone local does not offer that, or you know, your painter doesn't do it, I will 100% do it. I can get that kit a new life, which is something I'm really excited for. We have a container coming in like 3 days, and we have a Rando Aerotech Rando Sport UCF 20 late kit, and it's in really bad shape. So we're gonna completely repair and restore it, and then we're gonna be giving it away completely. So if you guys have UCF 20s, the late models, the 98s to 00s, then you guys can enter this for free. It doesn't cost anything. Get your chance to win a really rare body kit. This is one of the first to ever come to the United States, so if you guys are interested in that, there'll be some more details on our Instagram, anonymous.stylie. And yeah, we have a different email if you guys are looking for fiberglass parts. It's astyliefrp@gmail.com. So if you guys are looking for one-off parts, you want something cool, custom fenders, a cool front bumper, trunk wing, I'll do a hood, I don't care. Vented hood, dude. But yeah, fiberglass the world and one off the world. That's what I love to do it.
There's a lot of UCF 20 parts.
UCF 20. 10s are rare. You guys know that if you're watching this. You guys know there's nearly no parts for UCF 10, so that's where I come to play. If you're looking for a body kit that's completely custom, I can make it. If you guys know, like Chris, he runs Atlantic Street Movement, JDM Poppy. We're actually going to be making him a kit starting mid this month, or actually probably in the next 2 weeks. So you'll have one of the first UCF 10 kits that's completely one-off. It's gonna be sick. And then yeah, UCF 30s. JZS 147, 161. Any VIP platform, I'm down to tackle. And other cars, don't get me wrong, but this is kind of what we do. It's the VIP and VIP styling, VIP GT, VIP.
So how are you guys enjoying California?
Love California. I'm trying to convince Hunter to move here.
Maybe one day. Yeah, this is my first time here, and this has been nothing short of amazing. Literally, seeing the culture out here with these cars.
California's best. There's no denying it.
You don't like Ohio? No, this is super nice. This is definitely a trip to see. Not only everyone that I've talked to over many years online, but the cars, the appearance of them in person is just crazy.
Mm-hmm.
You guys, highly recommend anytime this guy throws a meat show, get out here and see these things in person.
The first or the most like starstruck car I've ever seen was I came to Hello Flush Canopy Infamous in like 2012. I saw Shavi's Mazda Speed 3 and I lost it. That was when it was on the TMBs, I think.
Yeah, and it was static.
Yeah, TMBs, dude.
The best
And you were with Derek.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Bushma.
Yeah, that car was sick too. Good times.
That's the craziest thing, seeing so many photos and like footage of a car, and then like, yeah, you might like see it so many times that like when you like a new photo or something pops up, you're like, oh, there it is again. But then once you see it in person, you're like, oh my gosh, like that's crazy.
It's way
that's sitting
different.
in front of me. Like you can analyze a car all you want, and then once you see it in person, it's game changer. Done.
Totally.
All right, we just got to VJC.
Let's check out the cars.
Yep, let's go.
Let's do it.
What's up guys, so we are at VJC right now shooting a little promo video for their new alignment rack. We'll be here a couple more times to shoot a couple more videos too, so expect some BTS from that as well. So let's get on with the day.
So Brandon, what do you got there?
We got the RZ67, it's Mamiya. I'm gonna look through that viewfinder.
Oh wow.
Yeah, shoots on 120mm film.
That's dope.
Honestly, it's like, I mean, this lens is super long too, so I gotta get really far back. But it's crazy the resolution and stuff this thing puts out.
Wow.
The only downfall, it's like, it's heavy. I'll let you feel it later. It's like carrying it around all day, your arm gets
Yeah. Let's go for a ride.
Let's go.
It's a funny judgment.